Hello, our project topic is efficient multi-user detection for uplink grant-free NOMA. A grant-free transmission methodology is highly expected in uplink NOMA system, in which users can randomly transmit data at any time slots without any hand-checking processes. The main focus of our topic is to precisely detect the active user set for uplink grant-free NOMA. For this, there are two algorithms described. First, PIASP, and second, robust PIASP. These two algorithms supports the massive connectivity for MMTC. PISP algorithm uses the prior information support set in order to exploit the temporal correlation of active user sets in different continuous time slots. To overcome the incorrect estimation of prior active user support set, robust PIASP algorithm is proposed. We have implemented both algorithms and functions to generate random user sets.
In this algorithm, it is assumed that devices in MMTC generate sporadic traffic, which means the number of potential users can be very large, but fraction of them have data to transmit at a time. So for this reason, grant-free NOMA might be suitable for communication from devices of short packets to base station. The PIA-ASP algorithm is proposed to detect user activity detection and data detection with the aid of previously estimated user support set and quality information means sparsity level at a corresponding time slot. To avoid the overestimation of active users, the robust PIA-ASP algorithm is designed, which adaptively exploits previous active user support sets based on quality information in a conservative way.
There are few limitations. First one is all the users in base station are equipped with single antenna, and the second one is all the users are assumed in static position. So none of the users is moving towards the antenna or moving away from the antenna.
In the innovation part, we can implement algorithm for multiple antenna as well as vehicular mobile incorporation. We are going to work on vehicular mobility as our innovation part. For the implementation of the multiple antenna, performance of the system will increase. But for the vehicular mobility system, performance will worsen. But we can get the updated algorithm with advantage of vehicular mobility.